You know, when you're alone in the room and you have so much time to think about your life and think about what's going on, and you have one person that you have faith in, that person is God. Because that's who you're going to go talk to. And that's who I'm going to talk to. So when you're feeling that you need someone to talk to, and ain't nobody there and you're alone, go to Him. It's like this. Alone in a room, it's just me and you. I feel so lost, 'cause I don't know what to do. Now what if I choose the wrong thing to do? I'm so afraid of disappointing you. So I need to talk to you and ask you for your guiding, especially today. When my mind seems a little cloudy, guide me until I'm sure I open up my heart. I open up my heart. My hopes and dreams are fading fast. I'm all burned out, and I don't think my strength is gonna last. So I'm crying out to you. Lord, I know that you're the only one who'll be able to pull me through. So I need to talk to you and ask you for your guiding, and especially today when my world seems so cloudy. Guide me until I'm sure I open up my heart. I open up my heart. So show me how to do the things your way. Don't let me make the same mistake over and over again. Your will be done, and I will be the one to make sure that it's carried out. And in me, I don't want any doubt. That's why I need to talk to you, to ask you for your guiding, especially today when my life is a little bit cloudy. Guide me until I'm sure I open up my heart. I open up my heart. All I need to do is hear a single word. I open up my heart. Just one word could make a difference in what I do, Lord. Just that one word, Lord. I open up, I open up, I open up my heart, my heart. Just that one word, Lord. I just need to hear that one. Just that one word, that word. I open you. You're the lover of my soul, the captain of my sea. I need a word from you. I open up. That's why I open up my heart. Just that one word.